What's going on, YouTubers? You know what this is, X. Got a little unboxing here. It's a car that I always wanted, but I never had the guts to pick it up. If you already know what this is, you must be hiding underneath the rock. This is actually the Traxxas Rally 4x4. It's a rally car. Of course, I got it in BL2 because I never had a BL2 before, so therefore I want to try something new. We already know what the VXL is capable of and what it does, but I see a lot of people in the YouTube community actually talk about this BL2 system and how well does it handle with the motor and all that stuff. So basically, I'm not gonna do all the boring stuff because this car been out over a year, so therefore everybody know what's in the box and what it got. But I can actually tell you. Okay, so basically you get a TQ radio, of course, and you get the regular basic BL2 system, no gyro. So basically it's the TQ, not the TQI with the gyro. So basically, you know, it's the same body, but just a different color. And the wheels are gray instead of black, which I kind of like. I like that tone. I like the red. I was gonna get the blue, but the red kind of pops a little bit for me. So basically, you know, it comes with the bag. It comes with the directions. It comes with the tools, the spaces for the shocks, directions, and all that other stuff. So we don't have to go there. But basically, you know, I had to try this. So, you know, I'm about to open this thing up right now. So basically, no more hooks. Basically now you just, you know, pop it up. And there you go. It's very easy. Very easy to maintain, very easy to manage. So basically, we all know what a rally looks like, you know, except the only thing is that it just got the BL2 system, that's all. Got the BL2 system instead of the VXL. I'm gonna try this because, you know, I was watching Rec RC, shout out to him. He had the same identical car, I think it was in blue or red, but, and this motor did pretty much good on 2S. So I want to check it out. So basically I got my battery in there. It don't come with a battery. It don't come with an ESC. It don't come with a battery. It don't come with a charger. But Traxxas got a sale. I don't know if it's still on. That if you buy one of these cars, the base model ones, it comes with a battery, new battery, and a new charger that charges 2S, 3S. You know. So if y'all want to check it out, go on Traxxas.com and check it out, or go to your local hobby store, and pick it up. So anyway, so basically this is what it is. BL2 system with the BL2 ESC. I got my own battery in there, which is the 2-cell 5800. So it's pretty good, you know. And you know, it's pretty decent for somebody who's getting started in the game, you know. So basically, you know, turn this on, turn this on. So, as you can see, looks pretty good. A little slow, but you know, hey, this is what you get for your money. And then as for the charging thing, you know, you hit the gas. So basically, it's a pretty good car for the money. I think it's $329 right now. So you know, Christmas time is here. We're already in October, so therefore, you know, y'all need to check this car out. If somebody who's into rally cars, and plus it's a good alternative that you don't want to drive a short course car. You know, a rally car will be a different alternative, even though it's the same style, but the only difference is that the body's a little lower and all that stuff. This is a pretty good deal. you know, and it makes the car stand out between everybody else. Now, basically, with the BL2, besides the BL2 motor and the ESC, let me take this off. It got the Ultra Shocks that, you know, it comes with all these cars, the basic ones. It comes with Ultra Shocks. Some with VXL got the Ultra Shocks, but you know. Also, it got the heavy duty kit, which, you know, you can see everything. You see everything in blue, right? You see everything in blue, and you got, you know, the drive trains. You got the insides. Some of the stuff is metal, you know, and you got the heavy duty plastics, and you know. I mean, the only thing is that with the BXL, you can adjust the toe and stuff like this. With the base model, you just got everything, you know, with everything plastic and it's, you know, stationary. So you can't really adjust so much with this car. But otherwise, that for a beginner, this is a pretty good deal. So, you know, what I say is that, you know, if somebody who wants to buy this car, you know, look at that. All you gotta do is put it in here like this, and yeah. See? Yeah. So there you go. So anyway, this is a good deal, you know, for $329. It's a pretty good deal. Christmas time is coming, so you know. So this is an unboxing of the Traxxas Rally 4x4 with the BL2 system. I'm gonna make another video and give it a test drive, maybe a drag race between the 12 turns. I got a couple of 12 turns. I'm gonna put it side by side, and they both put bone stock, and basically we're gonna see which one is the fastest. But you know, it's a pretty good deal. But anyway, this is the finish on unboxing. So you know, I hope you enjoy this. And you know, if you like what you see, please do the uncle favor, like, comment, and subscribe. So you know, anything new comes out, y'all be the first to get it. And on that note, this is Unc X, and I'm out of here. Peace.